Hi guys, today I got my American Girl and I'm really excited. I already opened the box, so yeah. Okay, this is like my first doll, so I'm really excited. Okay, I got Sage. Here she is. Okay, so that's her. I'm going to show you. Oh, okay, and I got the brush for her. And yeah. Put that aside. Okay, so now I'm going to open her. Okay, so it comes with her book. Okay, that's her book. Okay, and now I'm going to open her. Okay, so I watched a lot of videos on how to open her. Okay. Oh, okay. So people think this is really hard, but it's actually not. Okay, her hair now got stuck. Oh my god. She is so pretty. That's her. I don't know if you can see that. This is Care for Your Doll with Curly Hair. So I'm gonna read this because it's my first doll. Okay. I'm gonna take off her hairnet. Okay. Ooh. Her hair is so pretty. Okay, let me just take this off so you guys can see. Okay, so she comes with this cute little dress, and she comes with these boots, and she comes with blue underwear. Her hair comes in like, I don't know what you call this, but I know it's not a braid, but whatever. So, she is so pretty, and she has turquoise or blue eyes, and her ears come pierced, so that's good. And she has freckles. And that's it. Oh, and she comes with the ring. I just forgot about that. It's so tiny. I didn't think, but that's how the ring looks. I don't know if you could see that, but I'll open it for you guys. Okay. So, put it on her. Okay, that's how it looks on her. That's Sage, and I really recommend for you guys to get her. She is so pretty. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh my god. Okay, so yeah. I hope you like this unboxing of Sage. And yeah. Okay, bye guys. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. Bye.